Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, August the 24th, 25th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, August the 25th. And in this additional, I have already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the last puzzle in this additional, the 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 9154. Before I start, I always kind of print the digits. 12 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. Well, the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 12, but it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see only one. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. These 2 boxes should be 1 and the 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, it's always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 in the same area, so this box should be a 5. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes then? See, 1 quadra box. This box can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. Oh, no. We have another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box is the same number as this box. Okay, the S construction, only one we have here. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So here, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. We have only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1. Then the final shape, I believe the L shape, upside down, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. I believe the T shape is missing here. Yeah, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These three boxes surround the one can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4, so one box left of the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. These three boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so one box left of the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. I think this box should be a 2, because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be also a 2, because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. Is also connected with that box, should be so 5. And is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 2, because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of these two boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 3, those two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so one box left of the 2 in this area is supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so 2. Then let me see, these two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We already have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Yes. I think there's box, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers. Oh, we have 2 L shapes. Well, forgot to... This box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 1 here. So 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4 then. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a double 1 here. So can I place the 1 there? 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 4, so 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. Yeah. Should be a 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3 or 4. We have a 3 and a 4 here, double 3 there, double 4 there. And it can be a 5. We have the 5 in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left of the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me think. Well. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. And this box can be a 1, so the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Let me think. I've marked those two, I've marked this box with a 5, and this box has the same number as that box. Should be also 5. Overlooked. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1 should be 2. Give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 4 numbers 1 and a 3. Let me mark those 1 and a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. And can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, and now. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me think. Well. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then come on. This is taking too long. 2 can we get 2 here? Here should be the 2. Need a 3, need a 4 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. Let me think. Come on. 4 or 5. This box. 2 or a 3. I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left. 4 numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box. Should be so 3 and 4. But we already have a 4 here. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. So 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4. 3 and 4. We have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Think. Wait. 4 and 5. Well. 1. Come on. 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 2 and a 5. Yeah, 2 and a 5. I'm stuck again. 2, 1, 2, 3. Come on, 2 and a 5. These two boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 3 should be here because then it's connected with that box. Should be so 3, but we already have a 3 here in the same area. So not the solution, place the 3 there. The only place that the 3 should be there then. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, a 5 here. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5 here. 2 and a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and a 3, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left with the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area. For number 5 is connected with that box, should be so 5. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be 2, because me 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this S constructions. Construction for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Well, this box should be also 1 and 4 is connected with that box, but we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 1 is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this S construction for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Not the 4, not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.